Gesture syncopations are good. The rebounds are too much, and so sometimes they're so high they look like the downbeat. So it becomes very, very, very difficult to see which one is downbeat, which is problematic when you have changing time signatures. So in this context, I recommend dry conducting. So 0 rebound. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then a strong gesture syncopation on those ones. So these ones could be like with your elbow, 2, and then after that, like you're still rebounding. Yeah. So, pick up. Yeah, try it.
Yeah.
From the top. Players, you're getting fooled by the pickup into bar 15. You guys are coming in 1 beat earlier, and then there I think Ivan needs to come to them.
Yeah.
So there's in particular, you need to be very clear where's the downbeat. Your rebounds have lessened, but they're still rebounds. So Song with the Blacksmith, you need to envision a blacksmith. The more specific you can get, the better. What is the temperature in the blacksmithing place?
Hot.
Good. And what is the weight of his hammer?
Heavy.
Good. Your rebounds make it look really, really light. It's like, imagine Thor's Mjolnir. It's like, hey, it's not that bad. I'm worthy, right? So heavier.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Do you want me to help you with dry?
Yes.
Dry? Okay. So.
Is it still too?
Yeah, you're still bouncing. So let's do slow. So on beat 1, so up from the elbow, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
3, right? Sorry. It's like 4 and 3, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now let's also slow down the tempo because the hammer's so heavy, right?
Yeah.
Bing, bum, bum. Oh, this is easy, man. So let's go. Bum, bum, beat. That's too slow, but just go with me. Bum, 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 beat, bum, 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 bum. Ba 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 da da ba 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 da da ba 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 da da ba 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 ba. Then here you let it slow. All right, let's try it. How about ba ba something like that?
A little slower.
Yeah.
From the top.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna go slower than that. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so we'll wrap that in. And then when we go for we talked about this with Hannah last time. So the natural curve would be that like it's coming into like the middle. So that looks like it's like a straight line. So you notice that then the little cringe here on the over here. So we don't want that. That's bad. That's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
So if you look at like, imagine the middle line going through the middle of your knuckles, like probably between 2 and 3 knuckles. Yeah. Yeah. So then like that. So 1 is going down here. So then 2, that's far enough.
Just straight.
Yeah. That's too much. Going straight is too much. This will hurt over time because this creates stress over here. So 1, 2. So like 2, I'm still curved. I'm just less curved. Does that make sense?
In the 3 pattern, you mean?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. 1. So 1, 2. I'm still curved.
1, 2.
That's still straight. You don't need. You just let your fingers take over. But you can just go 1, 2. They just need to know the direction. But this is still curved. 1, 2. It doesn't need to be 1, 2 or 1, 2. Totally unnecessary. Even less than that. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And then that's what we're doing for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah. So you always want to be mindful of the tension here. Like zero tension. Not even for a split second. 1. So always relax. Yeah. Good. That's a weird thing to get in your hands because you never had to do that before. Yeah.
And it's like let's pick something really bandy.
Yeah. And they set up all the traps right for you. You guys fell for all of them. So all right, next. Yay. Sam, come on up. Is that everyone after Sam?
I think so.
Alright.
Okay.
Who's playing what? We lost a lot of the soprano part at this point.
Page 189.